Hello students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again students, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, today I am going to explain the topic where in the world. This is GK subject, okay? Topic is where in the world. Topic is already asking a question, where in the world, संसार में कहाँ. Before explaining this topic, I want to tell you something about satellite. Okay, students, satellite orbiting 12,427 miles, near about 20,000 kilometers above Earth, and make full rotation a day. Satellites placed on the orbit of Earth near about 20,000 kilometers above from Earth, and it's make one rotation in a day. Rotation period (24 hours), 1 day. Means students, satellite, those satellites are positioned on the orbit on the Earth near about 20,000 kilometers above from Earth. They are placed, and its rotation period is 24 hours, means 1 day. Next, students, there are 7 spare or designated activity satellites as well, for a total of 31. Their orbits are planned in such a way that at any time and anywhere on Earth, there are at least 4 satellites visible in the sky. Students, as you all know, ancient time peoples used landmarks such as a hill or a tall building, even the star took it their bearing. In the case of the global positioning system, that's short form is GPS. GPS is stand for global positioning system. GPS is stand for global positioning system. Students, global positioning system is a satellite based navigation system. GPS is a satellite based navigation system. Okay, GPS is satellite based navigation system that is placed about 20,000 kilometers above from Earth, and its rotation period is 24 hours, means 1 day. Now the next, near about 24 satellites was developed by the United States Department of Defense. That short form is DoD, Department of Defense. GPS receiver can pinpoint your location using a process called filtration. GPS can pinpoint your location. That is called trilateration. Students, imagine you are standing somewhere on earth with three satellites in the sky above you. If you know how far away you are from the satellite, then you know you must be located somewhere on the red circle. If you do the same for satellite B and C, you can work out your location by seeing where the three circles intersect. This is just by GPS. It receives your location. Although it gives overlapping spheres than circle. Students, the more satellites there are above the horizon, the more accurately your GPS unit can determine where you are. Means, if you are stand anywhere on the earth, it means you are there in between the circle of three satellites. Now after this, you will get some questions on the base of satellites, where the question number first is, which method was used by our ancestors to know where they were on earth? Which method was used by our ancestors to know where they were on earth? Students, our ancestors using positions of star to know where they are. Next question is, which branch of US government developed the GPS? To students, Department of Defense. Department of Defense of USA government developed the GPS, that is Global Positioning System. Next question number third, how much does the GPS satellite weigh? What is the weight of GPS satellite? So students, the weight of GPS satellite is near about 3000 to 4000 pounds. Next is, how many times does the GPS satellite rotate each day? The right answer is 2. At any given time, how many GPS satellites are visible in the sky from any location on Earth? The right answer of this question is 3. Next question is, what is the name of the mathematical principle used to calculate your location based on information for your GPS satellite? Means you have to tell how GPS system track your location and what they call trilateration. The right answer for this question is trilateration. Next question is, what type of clock do all GPS satellites have? They have automatic clock. Next question is, what does a GPS receiver use to know where each GPS satellite will be at any given time? The right answer is almanac. Next question is what year? Next question is what year did the GPS satellite launch? The right answer for this question is 1978. 1978. GPS system was launched on 1978. And the last question is name the person who was in charge of the GPS project. The right answer of this question is Dr. Bradford Patterson. Bradford was in charge of GPS system when it was developed in 1978. Now students, next topic I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching.